Hola, papi. Feliz Día del Padre.
Hola, mi amor, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué cuentas? ¿El trabajo cómo ha estado? ¿Todo bien?
Yeah, everything's great. Everything's great. I'm in the kitchen today, and since it's Father's Day, I have a little bit of arequipe, and I think I want to make a torta de arequipe.
Oh, that's great. Qué bueno, como mamá que hacía el arequipe o hacía la torta. Qué rico.
Yeah. Can you walk me through your recipe?
Claro que sí, mi amor. Harina, baking powder, baking soda, sal, vas a necesitar mantequilla, azúcar, vainilla extra, van a necesitar 2 huevos que estén frescos, una lechita, me echo que esté bien fresca también, y 6 cucharadas de dulce de leche. No te dejes olvidar, para lo que le echas encima en el glaze, van a necesitar heavy cream, van a necesitar dulce de leche, vainilla extra, y no te olvides de la sal.
What should I do next?
Make sure you preheat your oven at 350. Put the batter in the cake pan. Make sure you put it together in a bowl. Flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Y lo revuelves. Make sure it's very good mix. And then put the batter and the sugar in the large bowl with electric mix and medium speed. And then the vanilla in your bowl. Make sure you put 1 egg at a time and mix it real slow. Revuélvalo. And add the milk, the dulce de leche, poquito, para que queden bien smooth, and then a little bit of milk in the dulce de leche hasta que quede perfecto. Okay, you got everything. Now we're going to put the flour. Make sure you just put a little bit at a time. Do not put all the flour in one shot because it's going to be all clumpy. You need very smooth everything, and they're going to be perfect. Put the cake batter in the pan. Make sure it's flat. Heat it with something or put it on the table. Like that, get it nice flat.
How do I know when it's ready?
Oh, mi amor. Just make sure you put it for 40 minutes. It's crispy in the top. Put the toothpick in the cake. When it smells good, real good, it's done. Now we can take it out of the oven. Be careful. It's real hot. Use the gloves. Let it cool down for like 10 minutes. Do not touch it. Mami, mientras que el pastel se enfría, ¿quieres empezar a hacer el glaseado?
Yes, see, my favorite part.
Okay, mi amor. Heat a pan in medium heat. Make sure you put the cream, dulce de leche, la vainilla, a little bit of salt. Cook it for like 10 minutes. Make sure you mix it. Like that don't get stick. Diga que terminaste con el glaze. Make sure you put it nice on the cake in the top. Like that can run smooth.
I think I put too much glaze.
Never is too much. More is good.
This cake is just the spoon for arequipe.
Exactly.
Dad, thank you so much for bringing me through this recipe. I'm really excited to eat it. It definitely reminds me a lot about you.
Pero qué bueno que hiciste el pastel de la abuela. And I remember when I used to go to Colombia and get all those arequipes or dulce de leche. Oh my God. Me guardas un pedazo. Tienes que guardar.
Of course. I love you, Dad.
Ah, yo te quiero más, mi amor.
I'll talk to you soon.
Claro, mi amor. Anytime.
Love you. Bye.